Don't chop that cucumber until you see this recipe. Peel a cucumber, leaving some green stripes of skin. It looks super fancy. Then, with ninja-like precision, slice it so thin you can almost see through. Perfect. Now you'll need an onion. Slice it julienne style, but watch out, make it super thin. The onion will give that irresistible, crunchy, tasty kick. Lastly, chop some cilantro. No cilantro? Use parsley or try green onions. Let's move to a large bowl. First, add the sliced cucumber, separated onion, and now the star ingredient. Yes sir, the avocado. But not just any avocado. This one's creamy, so smooth it almost melts by itself. Let me tell you something. I tasted this avocado and almost kept it all for myself. Seriously, it's that incredible. Sometimes I feel like avocado is the real MVP of any dish. What do you think? Do you love it as much as I do? If so, comment below. I love avocado. I'll give you a shout out in the next video, like I did for Victoria from Panama and Jeanette from Chile. We keep adding chopped cilantro to our bowl. A bit of salt to taste, as we like things well seasoned here. But it's all up to you. Then a pinch of ground black pepper for extra flavor. Squeeze in some fresh lemon. This is key for mixing and adding that citrus kick we love. Ever tried mixing cucumber with lemon? If not, you're missing out. And of course, the finishing touch, a good drizzle of olive oil. Ah, life's better with good olive oil. I bet you're curious how this recipe is turning out, right? Let me know below if you want to try it. Also, tell me which city or country you're watching from. I hope to give you a shout out in my next video. Half a bar of cream cheese. Yes, cream cheese. Trust me. Mixed with avocado, it adds color and a texture everyone will love. Have you tried this combo before? I promise it'll change your cooking game. Now mix well, ensuring every bit is coated in the creamy blend. Here's the best part, time to taste. This is absolutely delicious.